Hello everyone, I'm Parth Sangui. My research paper topic is a study on comparison of UML and ER diagram. Data model. Data model is used to represent all the relations between data elements. Diagrammatic notations for designing large systems and applications. There is a comparison between UML and ER class diagram. An experiment is done to determine the best of it. Entity relation diagrams are commonly used for conceptual data modeling in database design. We are studying two types of data models here. Unified Modeling Language (UML), used for specifying, visualizing, constructing, and documenting the primary artifacts of the software system. Enhanced Entity Relationship (EER), used to represent relational database diagrammatically. The entity relationship is used for designing relational database and UML for describing design of the system. The EER is used in conceptual database system and the UML is used in OOP. EER and UML class notations are given below. Class versus entity. The class diagram has a rectangular box with three sections that contains class, attributes, and the operation name. The ER diagram has a rectangular box that contains the name of entity. Attributes. The attributes in UML are plain text and in ERD are linked through lines and circular forms. Operations. Operation states the specific work done by class in UML. There is no definition in ER model. Association versus relationship. Association in UML determines the effect between two classes. In EER model, this relation is represented using diamond shape. Cardinalities and participation. Both show the same level for techniques between two entities or classes. Attributes. These describe the unique value which cannot divide further. An attribute associates with each instance of an entity or relationship. Example surname, salary, age, etc. Cardinalities. The minimum or maximum number of participating of entity relationship between two tables. Class diagram. Used in UML diagram, it necessarily includes systems, attributes, and operations of each class and their relationship with each other. Use case diagram. It involved actors in a system which gives a graphic or overview where different functions are performed different operations in systems of different actors. Activity diagram. In a graphical way, it represents workflow, the activity of diagrams. It describes workflow in the system. It rarely used as an alternative to state machine and diagrams. Experimental method. Used to indicate whether each diagram correctly matches its signification. It consists correctly or incorrect diagram. There are two methods to evaluate in methodology. First is the verification of ER models to enhancing learner performance in ER model. Second is to use measure the satisfaction level of the learner. The required ER diagram model in the test have three activates: identification entities, relationship, resolution of M relationship. The control group is used to manually develop the ER model based on their knowledge and skills. The experimental group used learning system for ER modeling to develop ER diagram. The independent t-tests show the mean of the experimental group and the mean of control group. This indicates the ER modeling proposed by the student was enhanced using the learning system. Conclusion: EER diagrams are generally more graspable than UML diagrams. UML diagrams provide a better representation for cardinality and relationship than the EER diagram. UML depicts the behavior and represents logical level. EER diagram represents conceptual level of database. Thus, EER diagram is more helpful for students than UML diagram. Thank you.